Yo, what is good? Got a quick daily recap today. Took no trades because today was a USD bank holiday. And yeah, so let me just go over what I saw. So now Euro USD was bullish on the 4 hour, looking for lows to get taken and potential reversals to the upside, targeting the London high. Well, not like actually looking for it, but this is just kind of what it was. So my main targets were London high, session London high, and then 4 hour highs were up here. Daily highs had already been taken out, and daily lows were all the way down here, I believe. So yeah. Now what do we do? Market opens and we're right by the London low, so looking for confirmation to the upside. Again, not actually looking for confirmation, but just like figuratively. Don't get any confirmation until all the way down here. Once we tap into these 4 hour fair value gap, have a mini reaction off of that. Break of structure to the upside, enter off of this, hypothetically, get stopped out because we're not trading, right? It's like a bank holiday, so irregular volatility, so not really looking to take a trade. Now GBP USD, what we do, 4 hours bullish. But we open right, like not at the London low. We have the London low from, where was it? Wait a minute. So I was like trying to like learn how to use SMT today, and it's a little confusing, I'm not gonna lie. But we'll learn. But anyways, we had this 330, yeah, so this is the London low. Now Euro USD comes and takes out the London low, however GBP USD does not actually take out the low. So what I believe is this is an SMT. Now why is it an SMT? Because Euro USD was able to take out the London low, which means it was stronger sell side. GBP USD was not able to take out the low, meaning it was stronger buy side. So what I would use that as confirmation for GBP USD to start moving to the upside. Now I don't know why Euro USD and GBP USD were kind of inversely correlated here, like GBP USD getting, but I feel like that's kind of like what SMT is. Or it could use like freaking the DXY index as an inversely correlated pair, because apparently on one of my trade recaps, okay, so this was a 330 low, so boom, boom. See, I don't really understand what I'm looking for here, but this should be a, actually wait, no, I understand it now. So since these should be inversely proportionate, right? Wait, is that loud? But anyways, what I was trying to say is, boom, we have a higher high, we have a high, and then we have a higher high. So what we should expect on GBP USD or anything against the dollar is that we should see a low and then a higher low. Wait, no, and then a lower low. But we do not get a lower low. We get a higher low, which means that they are diverging. You see what I'm saying? Because boom, we have this higher high on the DXY. So what should we see? We just see a lower low relative to this low, which is the London low. This is the London high, right? This is the London high. This is the London low. So boom, we should have made a lower low, but on GBPUSD we did not make a lower low. So this is telling me that boom, failure to push through the London low means we have stronger buy side. So that's just confluence and confirmation to buy. Again, I might be completely wrong, and again, this might just be like some super lucky example because today is a bank holiday, so it's not like the real kind of thing. But I feel like this is kind of what I should be looking for, because I already cleared the drawing, but on my previous trade on Friday with with Euro USD and DXY, what happened was that we completely disrespected a I think it was a 1 hour for value gap on the DXY. We pushed past it, right? I think it was this one here. We pushed past it, but on the Euro USD we were not able to inverse it. We respected it and started having displacement to the other side. So that's kind of like inversely proportionate. So that's like a SMT off of a PD array. But I watched too much YouTube videos this morning, and then I like hunting it down on charts. But something I realized is that you can't really like be hunting for SMT. You should be like looking at it, like it should be just extra confirmation. So yeah. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Now with GBP USD, what I was saying is that, yeah, boom, we don't actually fully take out the London low. But according to this SMT, if you will, we should be willing to take longs off of this because we're seeing confirmation. Because also, because the DXY was able to take out that high, the Euro USD was able to take out that low. So GBP USD should be able to move up because we don't need to take out that London low. I feel like that's literally what SMT divergence is. I feel like that's kind of like what the entirety of it is. I might be completely wrong. You know, this one guy on my YouTube, I appreciate him so much for like trying to help. But I mean, you know, if anyone's watching and wants to confirm if I'm right or wrong, please do so in the comments. You know, just tell me what I should do, tell me what I'm wrong, and like maybe some other resources. But I watched like the PB trading one. I watched T trades as well. That's what I did this morning instead of trading. I was just watching those, and I kind of like my brain's kind of fucked because I'm so tired from it. But anyways, what I was trying to say is now, okay, it's now on the 4 hour. On GBP JPY, 4 hour was bullish. So looking for potential highs to get taken, potential lows to get taken, and then target highs. So with this, probably, you know, because we opened down here, probably would target for, wait, no, we opened here, but probably would target this 4 hour high, or maybe even this 4 hour high, something like that, maybe even some daily high, maybe probably this daily high, or maybe this daily high. That would have been the target. Now the take, or like the entry ideally would be taking out the London low, maybe even Asian low, filling in this, this is a higher time frame PE rate. Ideally filling in maybe 30-minute for value gap, maybe even 1 hour for value gap, and then rotation to the upside. But you know, we don't actually do that. We just keep on consolidating around here. So boom, that's pretty much it for today. You know, pretty simple, not really much today, but yeah, sheesh, bruv. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.